Hey guys, I'm Shashir from ElbaTec again with another video here. So in this video, let's see how to enable official WhatsApp dark mode. So let's get started. First, go to Play Store and download the beta update for WhatsApp. After downloading, go to WhatsApp settings in WhatsApp and go into Chats option in WhatsApp settings. There you can find a new option called Theme. Select that and click on Dark Mode. That's it. You have successfully enabled the official dark mode in your WhatsApp. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you have any issues, queries, suggestions, whatever it may be, mention those things in the comment section below. I'll try to answer those questions as soon as possible. And if you aren't subscribed to ElbaTec before, subscribe to ElbaTec now for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to enable the notification bell button beside subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.